Aubrey, those are snow pants.
Snow pants?
Yeah. Storage is always at a premium. And
Yes.
and I've got a third kid on the way. So to try to claim a little bit of storage space back, I've moved one of the kids' car seats out of here already and slid that one over. There's going to be a third one in the middle here in about a week, so I'm trying to get any amount of storage back that I can. I picked this up online. There's several different brands, but I've got a link in the description. This allows a lot easier access to some hidden storage behind this seat. Okay, so the first part is kind of the hardest. You actually have to reach a latch back here the first time to put this part in, and then thereafter it should be a lot easier. Little tip for that is if you fold this bottom of the seat up, you can see the back actually moves and it pulls away from the glass a little bit. Let's see if I can get you in there to take a closer look. That's it right there. We want that silver pin. So I'm going to flip you around here. Oh boy. Okay, well, I got it. So I'm going to hold some tension on the seat. Come back around here and grab the release. Release. And what do you know? So it's essentially the same thing as where you have your spare tire and jack on the far side, but now you're doing it for the 2/3 split of the seat. So that's where the seat will latch back in. The whole idea is just to create a small lever to pull up on that pin to make latching and unlatching a little bit easier. That's all. So installing this piece is real simple. It's just a bracket that's just going to sit in here. I say it's simple, and then look at me. That's Aubrey. Being Aubrey. T30 bit.
Go beep beep.
I heard you.
Yeah.
Why you don't do it too much? Oh, it's okay. Ah. It sort of nestles in there, so you do have to take the bracket off from the seat back to install this. Let's get our latch mechanism in place. This little arm back here keeps it from sliding off. So now we've got our bracket in place, holding the red fixture on that silver pin, which you can't even really see anymore. It's in there. Now let's put the whole thing back together. I'm going to drop that little tongue into the relief here. It gets everything pretty close to being aligned. Drop back in the 2 factory bolts, which seem to be playing long enough. Really? There's no magnet in there anymore. These were pretty tight when I took them off, so. Giving them the beans. All right. Now, because I did move the seat back up, I have to close both to get it to latch. Drop this down. Now everything should be reset. So there it is. You can just see the strap peeking over here. Pull up. Yeah, it works really easy. And to look at the space back here, just to give you an idea, that you are actually gaining additional space and not just access to space a different way. If you look where I have my toe straps, typically have my tool bag sitting here. My straps are trapped in behind this plane, but the space we're accessing is up here on this step, even further back. Because when I put the seat back down, you may notice that you can't see that strap anywhere. It's back here. So you are actually gaining some room. Now when this is closed, I guess you'd have from here, kind of on a sloping angle back. So use your imagination what you think you want to put back there. I, for one, glad that I have it, but it's going to be a real pain to get to. I'll have to remove car seats and all just to access that space. So it's going to be some tools or things that I'm not going to need on a regular basis. Couldn't be easier to use, and you saw the installation takes just a minute. Works pretty good. Now, if I just didn't have car seats on these all the time, I'd be able to get to all sorts of things. But